Hi, in this video I'll try to analyze the Australian dollar and Swiss franc currency pair. Today is 9th Feb, so let's check the chart. As you can see, I have the 1 hour time frame in front of me right now, and it is very clear to us that the market is in a clear uptrend. So in a trending market like this, the best way to trade is to use a moving average. So let me check which moving average will work. Indicators, moving average. Let's put a moving average. By default, we have the 9 bit moving average. No, it's not working. Fine. Let me change it to 20 bit moving average. My favorite. No, no. Suppose if we would have entered here, it was giving us a sell signal here, but it has gone up till here. Let's do one thing. Let's use 50 paired moving average. Let's check. Hmm, this is kind of nice. Yeah. Okay. This 50 paired moving average is working great here. See, it is taking support, one touch, second touch. Okay. Let's put the 20 paired moving average also, and let's find out how does it work. MA9. Let's change it to MA20. Let's change the color a bit. Let's change it to green. No, 20 period moving average is not working good enough. Okay, if you're already in a trade, hopefully you are in a buy position because it is a trending market. So I'll say that if you have got some risk appetite, then just be along with the trade as long as the price is above this 50 period moving average. That's it. It's simple strategy. And if you're not in a trade and still if you want to make some money out of it within a couple of hours, then the best way to trade is that just follow this stochastic RSI indicator, as this is a trending market and the market is going up. So what do we need to do? We cannot short the market, we only can go for buy position here. Okay, so whenever the market will be touching this oversold zone and give us a signal that yes, I'm about to go up again after taking the rest, we can easily initiate the buy position. Like here, see, this was a buy position and we will stay on the trade till the stochastic RSI indicator reaches the oversold territory. So you need to enter here, exit here, enter here, exit here. Again, see, the market is or the indicator has come down to the oversold zone, so we need to get cautious. Okay, so if we get a buy signal from this indicator, and if it is convincing enough with the help of a good candle like a spinning top or a pin bar or a hammer, we can go ahead and buy. You can apply this strategy on any currency pair to make some quick profit out of it. Or if you want to make some good amount of money from a trending market, you just need to follow the trend with the help of a moving average. That's a simple strategy, we all know probably. So here, if you want to make some quick money, just go ahead and buy. Whenever the stochastic RSI will be giving us a buy signal like this, when it will be moving upward. And the candlestick will be also convincing enough. That's it. And if you want to be in this game for a long time, and just be with the trend, follow the 50 period moving average, just stay on the trade until unless it crosses the 50 period moving average. Let's check the 1 day time frame. Not much signal on the 1 day time frame. Still we can see that it is making a uh, pin bar kind of a pattern, kind of a shooting star. So I don't think so. It will be wise enough to come to a conclusion right now. Okay. Because to be very honest, I'm not a trader, I'm not a long time trader, and I do not consult the 1 day time frame because my trades hardly last for a single day or max to max 1.5 days more. So still, if you're someone who doesn't get much time and you are into long trades, then you can go ahead. But you can see that almost this resistance level is broken. Still, it is not convincing enough because it is getting some rejection from above. Okay, so be careful. And if you are planning to make some money in a short amount of time, just switch to 1 hour time frame and just take a trade whenever stochastic RSI will be giving you a signal. And, or if you want to make some good money by following the moving average, then please go ahead. Okay. Is this a trend line? Let me check again. Looks like a trend line. Let me draw a trend line. No, no. If I let me check again. Yeah, it's kind of a trend line. Yes, it's a trend line. So if it bounces from this particular point, then stochastic RSI will also give us a buy signal. Then yes, it will be a buy point at this trend line if it bounces from here. Yes, and you need to stay on the trade till it reaches the this particular oversold zone or this particular zone. So buy can be 0.6914 and your exit will be 6931, or price till it reaches the overbought zone. That's it with this currency pair, Australian dollar and Swiss franc. Hopefully you all have understood. Thank you so much. See ya tomorrow.